Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to hit the red subscribe button and the like button, and also follow me on my socials, link in the description box below, Twitter and Telegram, and we will see you there. But now let's get right into the content. Before I begin, guys, I just want to give you guys a quick disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $972 billion, down 1.4% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance, on the other hand, is currently sitting at 37.3%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, you guys can see, over the last 24 hours, nothing crazy is going on. If we are looking at the last 7 days, we are seeing some of the markets in a little bit of green, but nothing too crazy right now. Nothing to be getting super excited. Just another day in crypto with not much happening. But today, guys, I want to talk about one coin that has been highly requested within the cryptocurrency space. A lot of people are talking about it, and I wanted to cover it onto my channel, and that's none other than Chiliz coin. All right, so Chiliz holders, if we are looking at the price right now, it is currently trading at 26.7 cents. It's down 1.6% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, but it's up 0.5% in Bitcoin comparative, and in Ethereum comparative, it's also down 0.5%. Market cap currently is sitting at $1.4 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $411.8 million. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, it is down 9.9%. Not bad. But in the last 14 days, it's up 30.3%. Very nice. But let's get right into the exciting stuff and see what exactly is going on with Chiliz and where could we be going in the immediate short term. So this right here is the daily time frame for Chiliz. You guys can see Chiliz is currently hovering in the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. Since this rejection and this crash that we did see back since April, we have seen the price below the 78.6 support line, and it consolidated quite some time, and we finally broke out back into the 78.6 on August 23rd, which was just last month. And right now we are sitting above that resistance level, which was at the 23.4 cents mark for the first time ever since all the way back on April earlier this year. So now comes the question, is this it? Was this the run? Should we be worried, or is there more strength, upside potential for Chiliz in the immediate short term? A lot of people want to know that, and I will give you guys my personal opinion to see what exactly is most likely going to happen. We will look at a lot of factors and then base our opinion off that. So first off, I just want to say, if you picked up some Chiliz around the all-time lows of this year, which was at that 8 cents mark, the price did not hover around there for too long. But if you manage to pick up some Chiliz around this range, you are already up in a matter of just a few months. You're already up about 217%. That is very impressive gains being made within just a few months. So that's definitely nice to see. But the thing that's really good and really appealing to me is the fact that we have broken out of this level of resistance, guys. This level of resistance was very important to break out, and we have broken out of it, and that's something very nice to see. But now comes the question, is Chiliz going to go retest that 36 cents mark and really break out into the 61.8? Is that a possibility? Let's look at that. That would basically mean a move of about 36%. Is that possible? It's definitely a possibility. It's not out of the woods yet, and I will explain as to why. If we are comparing since all-time highs, Chiliz is down about 72%. So something to note right now for you guys is that there's a very strong likelihood that we could even see the price hit all-time highs. And I'm not being too unrealistic. I'll tell you exactly why I say that. Right now, the FIFA World Cup is just 56 days away, and this is one of the major factors why Chiliz is moving right now. And I believe the month of October is going to be, very upside potential for Chiliz. We could see Chiliz making a massive run in that month, as long as the Bitcoin does not fluctuate too much, because right now Bitcoin is literally in danger zone. As you guys may know, if you watch my other video, it is not looking too well right now, because we're literally hovering in the 78.6 zone. If we manage to break below 17.5 and do not stay above there, or this does not play as a level of support, we are in for a major downward trend for BTC, and we could see levels like 15k once again. And what's gonna do that to Chiliz? It's definitely going to have an impact on Chiliz, because at the end of the day, every single altcoin is correlated with the price of Bitcoin. But right now, let's say Bitcoin starts heading back towards that 22k mark. That would be something obviously we want to see. But even if it hangs out around here, I do expect Chiliz to continue this upwards trend. But do not be surprised if we do see people start taking profits. But remember, let me tell you one thing right now. Remember that there were people that were accumulating this time, and now you're sitting at 200% profits in a bear market. People are going to take profits. There are major whales that are holding Chiliz, so be prepared if we do see some volatility or profits being taken right now. But one thing that I do want to definitely mention right now is that we are seeing massive strength building up for Chiliz right now, especially after breaking out of this level of resistance. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, you guys can see again, this is a zoomed in chart to see what has been happening over the past couple of days, and it has been looking quite well. But that's it for now. Like I said, the next price point that I would love to see is at this 36.0 level, 36 cents level. And is that a possibility? Definitely is a possibility. The volume is on its side, and I could see this movement taking, continuing to go back towards the upside and start heading towards this level of resistance that we have not seen since, to be exact, we have not seen the price above this level of resistance since December 4th. So if we break out of that, that would be very nice to see. But let me tell you that this is a major level of resistance, so we might see a rejection. But in the meantime, I would not be surprised if we do start heading up towards that zone. But that is it for today's update, guys. Let me know in the comment section below where you could see the price of Chiliz go in the next 1 month, especially October. Where could you see the price of Chiliz trading at the end of October? Let me know in the comment section below, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Let me know if you enjoy these videos, and if you guys want me to continue covering Chiliz, I would love to do that. And that is it. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been CryptoZX.